Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to reset Shark Air Purifier, filter light reset and power cycle instructions. Method 1. Reset the filter light. Step 1. Turn the purifier on. Step 2. Locate the filter light or filter button on the control panel. Step 3. Press and hold it for 3 seconds until you hear a beep or the filter indicator turns off. Note: some Shark models use an info button instead of a filter button. Press and hold it for 3 seconds to reset the filter life percentage. Method 2. Power cycle reset. Step 1. Turn the air purifier off. Step 2. Unplug it from the wall outlet. Step 3. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Step 4. Plug it back in. Step 5. Turn the unit on and allow it to recalibrate. Method 3. Reset the check dust filter warning. Step 1. Turn off and unplug the purifier. Step 2. Clean the dust filters according to the manual. Step 3. Reinstall the filters. Step 4. Press and hold the filter icon button for about 1.5 seconds to clear the warning. If the filter light won't turn off, make sure the new filter is fully installed. Remove all plastic packaging from the filter. Let the purifier finish its startup calibration. Then press and hold the filter light button again for 3 seconds. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.